In this lesson, we solve the equation 2 cosine x plus 1 equals 0 for angles from 0 degrees up to, but not including 360 degrees. Then we will visualize the answer on a unit circle. Step 1. Isolate cosine x. Subtract 1 from both sides. Now divide both sides by 2. We get cosine x equals negative 1/2. Step 2. Find the reference angle. Ask, for which acute angle theta does cosine theta equal 1/2? That angle is 60 degrees. This is the reference angle. Step 3. Decide the quadrants. Cosine is the x-coordinate on the unit circle, so cosine is negative where x values are negative. That happens in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. Step 4. Place the solutions using the reference angle 60 degrees. In quadrant 2, we do 180 minus 60. That gives x equals 120 degrees. In quadrant 3, we do 180 plus 60. That gives x equals 240 degrees. Step 5. State the solution set on the interval from 0 degrees inclusive to 360 degrees exclusive. The solutions are 120 degrees and 240 degrees. Recap. Isolate cosine x. Find the 60-degree reference angle. Choose quadrants 2 and 3, where cosine is negative, and compute 120 and 240 degrees.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerseNats.